So this is the type of thing that Jack always tells me to leave well alone. Okay, so I thought I would surprise Jack by upgrading our wardrobe shelves, but the one thing that I did realize was they come with this horrible like MDF edging when you cut them down. So I went and bought this melamine edging, but then got home and realized it says iron on. If this isn't girl math right here, I don't know what is, because Mama, this is not very like DIY friendly, but you got to do what you got to do. I have improvised with the iron on situation, and we are now going to use this with my straighteners. These are now my iron, so let's see if it works. I am using the straighteners to edge on this edging, and it's actually sticking on pretty well, but I can't get like round the corners very easily. But we're going to see how we go here. She's doing DIY. She's doing DIY girl way. That's what she's doing right now. But Daddy's not going to know the difference. So there we go. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Bless you. Okay, so here we are at the wardrobes. As you can see, one is already in here at the bottom here, and I have just fitted it. We've just put little brackets in here, just to hold, I don't know if you can see there, like little brackets. We did actually screw these in. Jack screwed them in, and I don't think it's going to interfere with any wires because it's on this board here, so we didn't actually screw it into the outer wall, and that was obviously where the hanger went. So yeah, we're gonna see how this goes. But I have just finished the edging of this one, so as you can see, it actually looks pretty good. You can see the edge of the straighteners, but you know what, that'll be fine, and it's better than this anyway. No one wants to see that, do they, Sonny? No, they don't. We're going to show you the finished product now, aren't we, Sonny? Yes, we are. Mama has done the wardrobe shelves as a surprise for Daddy when he gets home. Isn't that super exciting? Look at your face. It is so mucky. Everyone's going to think that you are just a feral child, which I suppose you are. This is my side. So we have so much more space. We've put in 2 shelves, and we've put the shelving tape on the ends and used the straighteners to iron them on, because we are very innovative and think outside the box. Also, something that I have done as a bit of a hack, this hook, it's just one of those command hooks from wherever, Big W, Bunnings, wherever you want to get them from, and all we do is hang the clothes that we're wearing at the moment, like these shorts for instance, on the hook, so they're like at the front and centre of the wardrobe, and they just go in there and it still closes. Doesn't it, Sonny? Yes, it does. So yeah, something to bear in mind as a little bit of a hack. What do you think, Sonny boy? Did Mummy do it a good job? Yeah, I think so. I think so.